Now we are going to represent a real number in a real number line. Now if you take page number 56 in your book, the subheading 2.4.1, the real number line. Visualization through successive magnification. The process of successive magnification means magnification அப்படிங்கிறது உருப்பெருக்கம் செய்கிறது. எப்படி? We can visualize the representation of numbers on the number line as if we glimpse through a magnifying glass. உருப்பெருக்கும் கண்ணாடி நம்ம லென்ஸ் வச்சு பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா, ஆன்ஸ்லாம் பெருசாக தெரியறதுக்காக. அந்த மாதிரி உருப்பெருக்கும் கண்ணாடி மூலம் இரு எண்களுக்கு இடையுள்ள இடைவெளியை பெரிதாக்கி எண்களை எண்கோட்டில் குறிக்கும் முறை தான் தொடர் உருப்பெருக்க முறை. தட் இஸ் ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் சக்சஸிவ் மேக்னிஃபிகேஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். சக்சஸிவ் அப்படின்னா தொடர்ச்சியாக, அதாவது தொடர்ந்து திரும்ப திரும்ப உருப்பெருக்கம் செஞ்சு ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இடையில இருக்க டிஸ்டன்ஸை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்து அதுக்கு இடையில இருக்க நம்பர்ஸை மறுபடியும் மார்க் பண்ணி இந்த நம்பர்ஸை கரெக்டாக எண்கோட்டில் குறிக்கிறோம் அப்படிங்கிறத இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். இந்த பேஜ் ஃபஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க். Now I am going to do the second example 2.15. See the sum. Represent 3.45 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. See here, since it is a non-terminating recurring number, we can write it as 3.454545 because the line above 45, both numbers, okay. See the line 4 5 ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு மேலேயுமே லைன் போட்டிருக்கனால it will repeat. So 4 5 again 4 5 then 4 5. It will go like this. They have given, we have to draw the number line and represent this number up to 4 decimal places only. So correct to 4 decimal places means we can get 3.4545. 1 2 3 4. After the decimal point 4 digits we have to write. Okay. Now we are going to see where 3.4 lies. 3.4 lies in the number line. First you see this number line. Already you know 0, here positive 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers, here negative -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. It will go positive this side also up to infinity, here minus infinity. Okay. 3.4, it lies between 3 and 4 because 3.4 is greater than 3 and less than 4. So first you write 3.4 lies here with pencil, and take scale pencil and draw line. Three and 4. You see, now we are going to divide this part into 10 equal parts. First number you write it here 3.0, 3.0, here 4.0, then here 3 point equal 10 equal points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this 10. Okay, 3.1 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and then 4.0. Now we are going to see where 3.4.5 lies. 3.45. 3.45 lies. Here you see 3.4 is here. Already we find 3.4. So 3.45 lies between 3.4 and 3.5. It is very clear. 3.4 is greater than 3.4 and less than 3.5. So take scale pencil and draw a line. Magnify this part. This is 3.40. This is 3.50. Divide into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. Okay. Then you write 3.40 here. So 4, 1, 3.42, 3.43, 3.44, 3.45, 3.46, 3.47, 3.48, 3.49. Then next, what we have to find? 3.454. So write it with pencil. 3.454. Here you see 3.45. Exactly this is 3.45. So the number 3.454 lies between 3.45 and 3.46. It is very clear because 3.454 is greater than 3.45 and less than 3.46. Draw a line. Divide the parts to 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is 3.450. Already I said add 1 0 here. Here also after the point. Here 3.46. So 3.460. Here continuously write the next numbers after numbers. 3.451, 3.452, 3.453, 3.454, 3.455, 3.456, 3.457, 3.458, 3.459, here 3.460. Okay. Then finally what we are going to find? Here 3.454. 3.454 lies here. Okay. 3.4545. In which point it lies we have to see. So 3.4545. It lies between 3.454 and 3.455 because it is greater than 3.454 and less than 3.455. So magnify this 2 points. Divide this part into 10 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then write the first number 3.54 3.4540. Here 3.4550. The after number of 3.4540 is 3.4541, 3.4542, 3.4543, 3.4544, 3.4545, 3.4546, 3.4547, 3.4548, 3.4549, 4549, 4550. Next number. We have to check whether it is correct or not. Okay. Now our answer came. See 3.4545. Up to 4 digits only we are going to find. See 3.4545. Here it is the number. So you mark it as with a pencil, little dark. Okay. Then you can rub this. Then you will not get confusion. Okay. If you are going to find after decimal point 4 digits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number lines you have to draw. Next we are going to represent one exercise sum. See the exercise 2.4. First sum, represent the following numbers on the number line. Second sum 6.4 bar up to 3 decimal places. Since it is a non-terminating recurring number, we write it as 6.4444, like that it will go. We have to correct it into 3 decimal places. So the number will change into 6.444. Correct to 3 decimal places. First we are going to draw the normal number line. Then find where 6.4 lies. So this is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here -1, -2. See 6.4 lies between 6 and 7. It is very clear. So we have to magnify these 2 points. Take scale pencil. First we are going to see where 6.4 lies. Divide this part into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First number is 6.0. The last is 7.0. Here 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8 and 6.9. Okay, then we are going to see where 6.44 lies. 6.44 lies. Here 6.4 is here. Okay, so the 6.44 lies between 6.4 and 6.5 because 6.44 is greater than 6.4 and less than 6.5. So draw a line. And divide this part into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First one is 6.40. This is 6.50. This is 6.41, 6.42, 6.43, 6.44, 6.45, 6.46, 6.47, 6.48, 6.49. After 4950. Okay. Then it is clear 6.44 lies in this point. So what we are going to do next? 2 digits over. So 6.444. Where which point? 6.444 lies. So it is clearly seen that 6.444 lies between 6.44 and 6.45 because it is greater than 6.44 and less than 6.45. So magnify this part. Divide it into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the first number? 6.440. Here 6.450. Then complete the remaining numbers. 6.441, 6.442, 6.443, 6.444, 6.445, 6.446, 6.447, 6.448, 6.449 and 6.450. Now we have found where 6.444 lies. This is the point. Dear students, have you all understood this? I thought you had understand. So please do the example sum 2.14 and also in exercise first Roman, third Roman. There are two sums. Second one is I have done. So please do it in your notebook and send me the photocopy.